Oh wow, we're in front of Wynn Palace and it's not playing really loud music. This is the first time I've ever been in front of this without it playing super loud music. And so now I get a little chance to show you what it looks like. I'll give you some other clues. There's Grand Hyatt Hotel, not clues but other references. Morpheus, City of Dreams, that used to be Hard Rock Cafe, City of Dreams, Londoner, MGM Casinos right there. And then that goes towards Koloan, that's East Asia Games. That's like a tennis area, bowling, Sports Street it's called. And then over there is Macau Palace, Lisboa, Grand Lisboa Palace, and Wynn Palace. So we're gonna walk down Wynn Palace, show you what it looks like on a Sunday night. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's take a walk down our street here. Not sure if I would label this Wynn Palace or I'll call the name of the street. Might just call it the name of the street and we'll just walk down it, because Wynn Palace implies that we'd be going inside the Wynn Palace, wouldn't it? And I do have lots of videos inside, so you can take a look and see what that looks like if you want as well. So this one we'll just focus on the street. We got some pretty long, big entrances to go in. Yeah, at the end of the video I'll show some Wynn Palace inside the Wynn Palace. You can see it's kind of a bright red carpet, kind of a red and gold theme. So there's the entrance right there. Got a taxi coming in right now. Lots of... Okay, looks like we do have some music here. So we are going to walk down our little stretch here. And I'll just capture the music. It's hard to avoid it. A lot of this casino in particular always plays really loud, copyrighted music that's hard on YouTubers. We also got these nice gondolas. We're gonna definitely take a look at that as well. We're just gonna walk all the way down this road to the dragon at the end. Actually, the lighting is just about right as well. You got that really nice. A lot of people pay some good money to be in these rooms right here. We also have some nice gondolas, so we'll take a look at that as well. There's MGM, giant aquarium. Can't remember if they have an aquarium in this one or not, but they definitely have a big one on the Macau side. We're on the Taipa side right now, so. And we're gonna come down to more density of people in a moment. Ah, the gondola's running. They got these little gondolas, but looks like they're not running right now. Got a lot of photographers today. So we're just kind of slowly go through that. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they don't have the, what is it called, gondolas? What's the name for those? It's kind of a nice time to walk down the strip though. Keep on walking down. This is actually a really photogenic area, so you can also take the train line right there. So they're probably waiting for the show because you can get a pretty good view from that spot. I'll flip around and show you the main feature in a moment. Oh, so right here there's looks like those aren't running right now, but there's a little gondolas that usually come through here. Sky cab, I guess they call it sky cab. So we're just going to go down a little bit further. There's the train line. And I think what I'm gonna do is come around to the little lookout here. There we go. And they do have performance lake show times, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. and 7 to midnight. Okay, so we're gonna walk back. That's called Kotai East Station. So this station brings you to Wynn Palace and to MGM, basically. And the MGM looks kind of cool, so it's kind of one of the reasons I want to walk back, is because you can get another view of what this looks like from that angle. I don't know if they're going to run that later or not. I guess those are called sky cabs. You see how sky cabs running around the whole thing there. But they don't have right now for some reason. MGM. Okay. Let's see. Okay, pretty cool. And let's just kind of look this way so we can get MGM a little bit and Sheridan. Up that way, you can also walk down that road towards City of Dreams. Okay. The music is a little bit better. I'll have a copyright issue, but I guess I'm just ignore it. Basically, they used to be, you could also actually lose your channel in the past with copyright strikes and such like that. But these days it looks like they just share it, the revenue that you might make. Well, they can do anything they want. It depends on who owns the music, how they want to handle it. But I think usually they'll just say like, okay, if you make any money off the video, then it goes to the person that created the song, or you share it with them. Okay. Anyways, I guess we're gonna end it at this corner. We'll highlight the dragon once we get to this corner right here. All right. So that was our little target area. There's our dragon. So we'll end it right there. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la